What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Duramax Diesel channel. These videos are kind of overlapping, so I decided to break it up because we're actually going to end up doing a lot of work to this. If you watch the previous video, you're going to see that we started tearing this down. It's going to be a few snippets, but we're getting something special in that one. I'm not sure which one's coming first, so I'm not going to tell you yet. But basically today we're taking the bumpers off the front and fully tearing off the front fascia of the truck, and probably taking the compounds off because I have them sold. So yeah, we're time to get to work. Alrighty guys, so as you know, we were starting to tear this truck apart. As you can see, there's a lot going on already. I think my camera didn't record the time lapse that I was doing to pull the front off, so sorry about that. But we took the bumpers off, took the front fascia off, took the hood off, pulled the fender off, and this is pretty much what we're looking at right now. So I've already sold this turbo kit, so we're taking this off to sell it so that we can prep to start pulling all this stuff off. So mission for teardown tonight to keep going. Let's get as far as taking the turbo off and see where we can get to. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep kind of hitting away at this. Probably take the downpipe off first, take the intercooler pipe off, kind of start cleaning things up. It's really nice to work without a fender, by the way. If you're ever doing head gaskets or something, you can always pull the fender off. It's fairly easy. Really gives you a wide open space here. So luckily the truck's not in too bad of shape down here, maybe a little bit, but looks salvageable. We're gonna need to do some body work and stuff, but we're just gonna get this kind of all taken apart. Dun da da, big snail is gone. So we got a few things off here. We got the crossover pipe that feeds the factory turbo, the intercooler pipe, cold side, downpipe, intake, and the charger. So, still in good shape. Probably 30,000 miles, full billet. Pretty massive though, if you ask me. It's good size, but we're going bigger. So, right now, pretty much the main goal is just to get this whole turbo system off. So, all we got left to do, or we got a lot left to do, oil lines, exhaust, Y bridge, intake runners, and yada yada yada. So it's coming along though, still just tearing it down. Alrighty, so we got Austin pulling off the hot side pipe. We're gonna work on pulling the valley turbo out, and we're gonna have to take off this up pipe. Yeah, we gotta take off this up pipe to get to the oil drain bolts. But as far as the kit goes, besides the Y bridge and intake runners, we pretty much have the full compound turbo kit off the truck. So yeah, making decent progress for one day. Took me like a week to put it on, and we're gonna have it off in like a night plus tomorrow for a little bit, probably just to get the intake runners and everything. We're not gonna work super late, got an early morning, he's gotta work, but we're just making what progress we can. And yeah, expect to see more. This thing's gotta come out of the shop though, because the other truck's gotta come in. But it's all good, we're getting there. So, like I said, I think we left off at the same point. We were just about to pull the valley turbo. We're probably gonna leave that for tomorrow. So tomorrow's video, we're gonna keep tearing this thing down and get it out of the shop, at least for now. So that's gonna be a wrap for today, guys. If you enjoyed the content in the video and excited for everything that's coming, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and watch this thing unfold. I mean, it looks pretty mean without anything on it, but gosh dang, we're in for a long one here. But trying to make some good progress on it, because I know we have like 6 months, but it's gonna go quick. So anyways, all this mumbo jumbo's off, and yeah, we'll keep working on it, and we're gonna get cleaned up for the night and make sure all the tools are put away. But I'll catch you guys later. I'm out.